Hello guys, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Hzmfr. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you the process of moving your website from this Ionos hosting server to another hosting server. So let's start our video and see how we can completely move our website from this web server to another web server. Let's start our video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. Okay guys, before starting off our video, I need to tell you why I'm moving my website from Ionos hosting to another low-cost web server. Because of this plans is more than the income of my website. I can't actually incur this much of cost for a 1 month of period. So I'm completely moving my website into this web server, and this web server has hosting plans for small web developers. So when it comes to here, you can see they are only charging 99 cents of USD for a 1 month of time. So let's see how much of cost that they are charging from us for a 3 years of time. So when it comes to here, you can see I'm going to buy this plan, and it's almost 99 cents of USD for a 1 month of time, and I'm going to change this into 3 years. When it comes to here, you can see they are charging 17.64 USD for a 3 years of time. I'm going to continue with this plan. So you need to fill this one. Let's continue this plan. Now I'm going to use this coupon code. If you have used this coupon code, you can reduce the price of your hosting plan from 50%. So I'm going to copy this one. Now I'm going to this shopping cart of HZMFR, and I'm going to paste this coupon code and apply it. Now when it comes to here, you can see my total cost for hosting is reduced to 8 USD from 17 USD for a 3 years of time. You can see it from here clearly. Is automatically renew it after 3 years of time. Then I can buy this plan for a 17 USD again. So this is why actually I am moving my website into this web server from Ionos hosting. Okay friends, firstly you need to log into the WordPress dashboard of your website like this. Then you need to go to the plugins option, and you need to click on this add new option. In my case, I have already installed this plugin, and I am going to uninstall and reinstall that plugin, which we need to back up our website from WordPress and reinstall it. So I'm going to delete my plugin with its all data, and I'm going to upload and install this plugin. Click on this add new option. You also can download this plugin from the given link in the description of this video. Then go to upload plugin option. Now choose and install this plugin on your website like this. Then you need to activate this plugin. Okay guys, now here you can see your new plugin is successfully installed. Then we need to get a complete and full backup of our website before going to install this site on another server. Now you need to click on this export to option and click on file option. You can see I have successfully completely compressed my website into this folder. So I'm going to download it. Okay guys, secondly we need to change the name savers of our domain account to link that domain account, which means our website with this new hosting provider. If you are using HZMFR, you can use the name savers which appearing on the screen, and you need to paste those name savers into this name savers option of your domain provider account. And after that you need to click on this update option or save option of your domain provider's account to save those changes. Okay guys, after successfully changing the name savers of your domain account, you need to open CloudFlare if you are using cloudflare.com dashboard. If you don't like to use this CloudFlare dashboard, it's okay, you can skip this part of this video. So if you want to use CloudFlare, you need to open your CloudFlare account like this, and you need to log into your website, and then you need to click on this DNS option to get the backup of your DNS records. Then click on import and export option, and click on this export option. Then your all the DNS records will be downloaded to your computer, and then you need to remove these DNS records one by one from going to this edit option like this. Click on delete and confirm to delete. Like this, you need to delete all the DNS records from here. Okay guys, after completely removing of the DNS records, you need to click on this overview option to delete this account from CloudFlare, which means you are going to remove your website from CloudFlare account. After permanently removing of the website from your CloudFlare dashboard, you need to click on this add site option, and you need to enter the URL of your website and click on add site option to link your website into CloudFlare. Then follow me. Now when it comes to here, you can see your DNS records are automatically deleted by this CloudFlare website, and you can see here all the DNS records are updated. And I'm going to change this proxy option to non-proxies option like this. Now you need to remove the old name savers from your domain provider's account and replace them with these new name savers of CloudFlare. Now click on update once again and save these changes. Okay guys, after successfully linking your website with CloudFlare, you need to read to the client area of your new hosting account. In here you need to find this cron jobs option or softcloud app installer option. In my case, my softcloud app installer option is included in this cron job option, so I need to click on it to read that softcloud app installation option. When it comes to here, you can see an option called tools. Now you need to click on it. Then when it comes to here, you need to search softcloud app installer to find it. Here it is. You need to click on it to open that one. When it comes to here, you can see there are so many web developing tools. In my case, I'm using this WordPress because my old website was built based on this WordPress option, so I need to install WordPress on my website. Now click on it. Okay guys, now you need to select the HTTPS option from here, and you need to select your domain name from here. Also you need to remove this one, and you need to select the version as 6.0.2 version, and you need to change this option as you wish. I'm not going to show them to you. Also you need to select a Gmail like this to admin email account, and then you need to enable a multi-field site option also, and click on this option and this option. Also you need to enable these three options. Then click on advanced option and change these options as you wish. Now scroll to the bottom and click on install option, and you need to wait until completing of the installation process. After complete the installation of your website, you can read to the WordPress admin panel from clicking on it. After complete the installation process of your website, you will be able to log into the dashboard of your website. Then you need to find this plugins option, and you need to click on add new option. Then go to upload plugin option and upload the plugin file that I added to the description of this video, which we have already used to backup our website. Then click on open and go to install now option. Then you need to activate this plugin. Now go to this all-in-one WP migration option and go to import option. Okay guys, now we have a small problem because our maximum upload file size is limited to 8 MB, so we need to change it. You need to follow me and change these settings. Then go to this plugin file editor option under plugins option. Then click on here and select that plugin. Now click on select option also. You need to click on this one. Then click on here and click on control find, then search for max, hit enter. Then you can find this max file size option. Now select these lines together and paste the number that I added to the description of this video. Then you can save this file. Now go to import option. Now you can see our upload size is upgraded to 10 GB. Then click on import from option and select the file that you have downloaded already. Here's the file. Now click on open. Just wait until completing of this process. Okay friends, after completing of the uploading process of your website, you can proceed to continue to restore your website. This process will automatically restore your website. Now click on close option. Then you will be able to re-log into your dashboard. Now we have successfully moved our WordPress website from Ionos hosting to another hosting provider's website as you wish. So this is the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.